My name is Jack. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. So today we're going to be checking out the YoloDeck. I'll be unboxing it. I just got this in from Amazon from YoloLiv. Alright, so we're going to check it out and see what it's all about. Okay, switch the camera. Alright, so this is the YoloDeck, and it's supposed to be a switcher, like a control surface for the YoloLiv, the YoloBox Ultra. Alright, so they have a 9,000 plus Facebook community. Here's this little package with stuff in it, and here it is. This is the control surface here, similar to the Elgato Stream Deck. Okay, so we're gonna put this stuff away so we don't lose it. Okay, and if you're into YoloLiv products, I'd definitely join the Facebook community. There's a lot of really helpful stuff there. Okay, a lot of helpful people in that community. Okay, and then we're gonna move this out the way. Okay, so here's the YoloDeck. Okay, and it has these really nice clear plasticky buttons. Okay, and then here's the box that it came with right here. This is everything that's in the box. So it looks like there's this stand here. Okay, I guess you can use it to hold your YoloDeck up, and then here's the cable. Okay, so it has an angled cable, so it's helpful. You can go move it that way, move it this way. So let's just take this apart. So it's USB-A to USB-C. So this one is USB-C. So my YoloBox Ultra is to the right, so I'm going to put it in this way, and I'm just going to attach it over here. Okay, and then let's see what happens when I attach it. Okay, so now it's attached. Okay, all the colors pop up, and they give you some instructions here. Okay, so here I guess you can switch your sources 1, 2, 3, and overlays, and go live, record. Okay, and then there's different pages. Okay, so I guess you got to set that up, but we're gonna do a little switching here. So we'll click the first source. Okay, and that is my computer, and the second source is me, so looking at the desk. All right, and the third source is the top-down view. So that's pretty cool. That's nice that you can just switch everything right from here. I don't have to reach over to the YoloBox and keep on switching things over there. And then I guess this last thing here is a stand. So I think it goes like this. And I think you put it here like this, I guess. We'll figure it out. I just gotta play with it, I guess. And I think it's pretty cool. It's a nice little switcher, and if you got the extra money, you got the extra cash, go ahead and pick it up. And you can use my affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you any more money, and then I will get a small commission because it's an Amazon affiliate link. Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you how to get the stand working. So you just use the manual and it shows you how to adjust the stand. So it comes like this. Okay, it just looks like a piece of plastic, but what you do is see there's different levels here. Okay, so you have different levels. This is the flatter level. This is the flattest level, right? If you just put it all the way flat. Okay, and then you have this one. So if you want a little elevated, you can take this first one and put it here and that. Okay, and that's how you can have the YoloDeck a little bit elevated. Okay, or what you can do is you can use the bigger one. Okay, and you can also angle it too. So if you want to have it on the other side, you can angle it a little bit flatter. Okay, or if you can use this bigger one right here. Okay, and this bigger one will help you angle it at a high angle, moderate high angle, or you can just do the medium angle, these two different settings, or you can just do it flat like this. Okay, you can do it like that, or you can just even do without it and just switch right there. So those are the different ways you can use the YoloDeck. This is the adjustable stand. All right, thanks a lot. God bless you all.